Hi, in this video we want to talk about LCM or least common multiplication and GCF or greatest common factor, or sometimes say highest common factor, or HCF. So we have LCM and we have GCF or HCF. Okay, and we want to know what is LCM between three numbers, or GCF between three numbers. Suppose that we have three numbers that like 8, 10 and 12. At first we want to show them by the factor of the prime factors. So I try by the tree diagram show this. 8 can show by 2 times 4, and after that 4 is 2 and 2. So 10, continue for 10. 10 is divided by 2 is 5, and because both are prime number, I cannot continue more, so I say 10 finish. And for 12, 12 I have divided by 2, it is 6, and 6 divided by powered by 2 times 3. So now I need LCM. For LCM I should look between them who is the biggest uh, exponent, who has the biggest exponent between them. You see we have three twos, so one of them is with the exponent 3, one of them is the exponent 2, and one of them is the exponent 1. We choose 2 powered by 3, and 3 only we have 1, so it's right, and 5 only we have 1, so write 5 itself. My answer is 8 times 3 times 5. It will be 120. It is the LCM between these three. And now GCF, or greatest common factor between them. So what is GCF between them? GCF is, look at them, the common between them and with the smallest exponent, it is 2 here. So I say the GCF is 2. Easily we wrote this. And let's try another example. We have 12, 6 and 24. I want again to show the LCM and GCF. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Again 6 divided by 2 is 3, because this is prime number, we cannot get any more. Now for 6, it is 2 and 3, both are prime number, we cannot continue anymore. And for 24, we have 2 divided by 2 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now again, because they are prime number, we cannot continue anymore. Now I write the factors. For 12 I have 2 times 1 3. For 6 I have 2 times 3. For 24 I have 2 powered by 3 times 3. Now for LCM, I set the biggest common factor, the biggest exponent. Here it is common 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3. So for 2's we choose this 2 powered by 3, so I write it. And for 3's I choose one of them. It's no difference, all has the power by 1. Now 8 times 3 is 24. It is LCM. And GCF. GCF is 2 times 3. The smallest power for 2 is this. Smallest power for 3 is 1. No difference between them. So we say 6 is my answer. Let's try another example. Between 8, 9 and 12. Between 8, 9 and 12. Okay. Let's start with 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And we cannot continue anymore. And 9 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and we cannot continue anymore. For 12, we divide by 2. We can divide by 2 or 3. No difference. It is 6. And 6 by 2, it is 3. We cannot continue anymore. So write 8 we can write as 2 powered by 3. And for 9 I can write 3 powered by 2. And for 12 I can write 2 powered by 2 times 3. Okay, now LCM. To write LCM, again go to the biggest factor here, biggest exponent here, excuse me. So for 2 we have the biggest here, it is 2 powered by 3 times, for 3 I have here 3 powered by 2. 2 powered by 3 is 8, and 3 powered by 2 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. It is LCM. What about GCF? Yes, GCF is, look at here, for GCF here is another problem we have. So we cannot say you should find a factor between them and it should be common between all of them. So you don't have any number here common between them. So in this situation you choose 1, because 1 is common factor between 8, 9 and 12. They can divide it by 1. So now we can show it by this LCM between 6, 12 and 24. Excuse me, here we can show it by between the numbers 8, 9 and 12. The LCM is 72 and the GCF is 1. Okay, now we can show another example that we had. LCM between 6, 12 and 24. Look at here. In this example that we had before we solved it, and we knew that it is 24 the answer. But look at here, it has another point. LCM, when you have two or three numbers that they are divisible with each other, suppose that 24 can divide it by 6 and 24 by 12. We can divide them. So the biggest number is your LCM. So I choose easily 24. And for GCF, between them, the smallest number is GCF. It is 6. Easily we can find them without solving. When two number or three number we want LCM and they can divide by each other, we can say the biggest number is LCM and the smallest number is GCF. Let's solve the last example. Suppose that we have a fraction like this, and I have LCM between 6, 12 and 24 times GCF 8, 9 and 12 that we solved, divided by GCF of 8, 10 and 12 times by LCM 8, 9 and 12. Okay, so all of this should be a number, and now we know LCM of 6, 12 and 24 because they can divide by each other, or they are 24 is a multiple of them. We can say 24 is the answer of the first part. So it's a 24 times GCF between 8, 9 and 12 because they cannot divide it by each other here, and we found that GCF between 8, 9 and 12 is 1. So I write easily 1 here. GCF between 8, 10 and 12, again they cannot divide it by each other, but we found the GCF between 8, 10 and 12 is 2 times LCM between 8, 9 and 12, we found it is 72. Now simplify easily. 2 by 24 is 12 and 12 by 72 is 6. So the answer is 1 over 6. Excuse me, the answer is 1 over 6. Okay, thank you for seeing this video and have a good time.